Principal Sir, P.V. Praveen Sir, PT Sirs Ajay and Sai Krishna Sir, first class teachers, Miss Pavani, Miss Manasa, Miss Hazar Nisa. Now I call on students who got first place Blue House in ball and bowl. Aditya V. Ahil Khan, Likit Sai Krishna, Dulmit Purohit, Jayaditya Nanda. Second place, Yellow House, Naga Chaitanya Manveer, Dheeran, Bhuvan Vihari, Rutvik, Devansh, Nandanivas, Yashant, Drona, Dashwan Sri Sai, Jay Surya. Ram Sharan, Maurya Karthik, Anand Akash, Lochan Sriram, Harshit Sai, Abhiram Krishna, Rudransha, Arya, Abhishekit, Reddy Chaitanya. Red House, Rishit Naidu, Abhinav Krishna, Lavish, Karthik Nagasai Roshan, Charan Tej, Rumi, Harsha, Madhu Akash. to our sports stars. In girls, first place to Yellow House. Nikita, Pranasvi, Litiksha, Akshaya, Pranavi, Vidhi Fatima. Jashmita, Roslyn Tej, Gnana Kyatika, Aradhya, Mahbub, Divyanshi, Dishita Pragya, Kritika Dakri. Congratulations to you all. An achievement award is not ultimate definition or final measure of success, but rather a symbolic recognition of accomplishments and a motivator for future endeavors. Silvia Nisha. Congratulations to you all. It's time to invite our bright stars who have graced the event, India's integrated collection of native folk dances with their presence and became the part of world record that ICON has set on 16 November 2024. And making the ICON's name carved in the Champions Book of World Records and the Asian Book of Records.
invite Rajarao sir, Nirmala madam and Sailija teacher to kindly grace the stage and do the honors of the distributing prizes. I request Rajarao sir, Nirmala teacher and Sailija teacher to kindly grace the stage and do the honors of distributing prizes. Thank you for joining us on the stage as to acknowledge the leader. Your presence adds more significance to the awards as the president.
Now I call my students who got first place. Mayank, Asad, Blue House, Sridhar Ganesh, Vinesh, Neeraj, Srikar, Durga Monish, Kushal, Maheshwar Varshan, Ramesh Naidu, Gautam, Dharma Lokesh, Amir Maurya, Aman Sagar, Rohit Sri, Varun Sai K, Rishi Leslie. Special place, Yellow House. Madhav, Badrinath, Kartikeya, Lohit Kumar, Chetan Reddy, Om Teja, Harsha, Sri Abhinav. Congratulations to you all. If you believe in yourself and have dedication and pride and never quit, you will be the winner. The price of victory is high, but so are the rewards. The organization stands tall in all the fields due to the tireless efforts of each and everyone. Now, let's girls, first place goes to red. Kirtana, Vibhuti, Priyavarshini, Aradhya, Roshita. Second place goes to blue. Pujita, Lakshmi Lasya, Joshita, Sahasra, Kritika, Neha. Asad Mayan. Second place goes to Green House. Leslie Varun Sai, Rihit Sri, Ame Maurya, Yashwant CH, Gautam Kartikeya. Third place goes to Yellow House. Harsha, Chetan, Madhav, Lohit, Aditya Sai Chini, Badrinath. Special praise goes to Blue. Sridhar, Vinesh, Dheeraj, Kemal, Balaji, Durga Monesh, Kushal, Venu, Lakshmi Mani. Congratulations to our sports stars.
ఏదో ఒకటి చెప్పురా ఇప్పుడు చేసిన ఎప్పుడా
Olympiads. To enhance the academic performance, foster problem-solving skills, and boost confidence, Aircon has always been conducting Olympiads. Moving on to the champions of the intellectual battles, our Olympiad winners. Now I'll call the following students who bagged medals in the different subjects. Science Olympiad.
Now I'd like to invite Suresh sir, Rajeshwari ma'am and Pravina Begum ma'am kindly grace up stage and award the students.
Ame Mauri. Ame Maurya, gold medal. Chetan Reddy, silver medal. Om Teja, silver medal. Srikar, bronze. bronze medal. Dheeraj, bronze. Sridvilas Balaji, bronze. D. Rohit, bronze. Sridvilas Balaji, bronze. Sai Mokshit, bronze. Max Olympiad, Kartikeya, gold medal. Moktika Ratna, silver medal. Badrinath, bronze. Amay Moria, bronze medal. I Monika, bronze medal.
So what we saw just now was the distribution of the gold medals, silver medals and bronze medals in 4 different Olympiads. I'll give you a detail of it. We had the English Olympiad, the GK Olympiad, the Maths Olympiad and the Science Olympiad. So some students participated in more than one Olympiad. And what we saw today are the prize winners only from class 6th. So that shows a lot of class 6 students have risen to the level of winning a medal in an Olympiad. I'll tell you the best part of it. This year, 3 of our students from Icon Public School have bagged national level ranks in the Olympiads. I'll tell you the names. We have one boy, Anuj, from 4th class, who got a national rank in the English Olympiad. Then we have Sadak, a boy from 3rd class, who bagged the national rank in Science Olympiad. Another girl, Jahnavi, from the 9th class, who also bagged the national rank from Science Olympiad. So 3 national rankers. Apart from that, Icon Public School is proud to say that our students have given us the opportunity to stand as the best school in Andhra Pradesh for having bagged 176 medals in this Olympiad season. 176, with no other school having got the same number. Congratulations to all the students, especially today as only 6th class are present here. I would like to congratulate them. And tomorrow and day after, as we go ahead with our annual awards, the remaining students also will be given their medals. Thank you. We will now proceed with the next event.
Now I would like to invite our principal sir, Praveen Garu, Mrs. Pavani teacher, Miss Monica teacher, and Mrs. Hazard teacher, class teachers of class first, to kindly grace the stage and honor the students and distribute the prizes.
Leslie, Charan, Abhinav, Rishi, Varun Sai, Dheeraj, Harsha, Om Teja, Venkata Sai, Shrikar, Amir Maurya, Arjun, Chetan Reddy, Nigam Sai, Aman Sagar, Nagarjun, Hemant, Venkata Kartikeya, Chittirar Balaji, Rohit Kumar, Dharma Lokesh, Gautam Bachu, Kartikeya, Satvik, Vardhan, Moktika Ratna, Niharika Kongana, Navanita, Yamini Priya, El Sahasra, Pujita, Kartika, Lakshmi Lasya, Tanvi Roy, Kirtana, Nehasri, Vibhuti, Priyadarshini, Hemanath Durga Anjani, Kavya Ashwini, G Tanvika, Mona, Satvika, Jahnavi Priya,
So parents, I would like to congratulate the children and the parents for having actually encouraged this event. This event was breaking the world record. All of you were witness to it. It was a 40-second extravaganza where the Indian country was formed by the students. More than 400 of them within 40 seconds came to the shape. Apart with that, they also performed all the state's folk dances. So they have received the world record certificate. Now this certificate is not just any ordinary certificate you would receive on any day. These certificates are one of the certificates for a lifetime. So I would encourage all parents, it's your hard work, your children's hard work, please frame these certificates and keep it in your house so that whenever anyone comes over, your child can proudly say they've been a part of a world record. It's going to stay there for life. Please do that. These are really memories that you should always cherish. Every day you don't get a chance to be a part of a world record. It's not an ordinary feat they have accomplished. So that's what they've done. Congratulations to all the students, the teachers who coordinated it, and the support with which we could not do it, the parents. Thank you.
It's time to invite our bright staff who have graced the event, India's integrated collection of native folk dances, in their presence and became the part of world record that ICON has set on 16 November 2024, and making the ICON's name carved in the Champion Book of World Records and the Asian Book of Records by forming India map in 40 seconds along with the state-wise cultural dance performances. Formation Class 1 Boys. Aditya Veer, Naga Chaitanya Mandir, Ramcharan, Kishan. Dhiren, Abhinav Krishna, Maurya Karthik, Bhuvan Bihar, Lavish, Patan Anil Khan, Nagasai Roshan, Matla Rutwik, Anand Akash, Kritik Vihan, Lochan Sriram, Charan Tej, Srinidhi, Rohit Kumar.
Parents, I'll clarify for you, there are two certificates. One for the world record formation, which is this one, that is the Champions Book of World Records. And for the folk dances, another record, that is the Asian Book of Records. So those who have also had a dance and the performance of being part of the formation have received two certificates, and those who are part of the formation have received the Champions Book of World Records certificate. So whichever one you have, or both of them if you have, both are prized possessions. Please be very careful with them. Happy moments for you.
India's integrated collection of native folk dances has been achieved by Econ Public School. Nearly 400 students of the age 7 years to 15 years performed folk dances of all 28 states of India in the current attire of the state, culminating in the formation of India map with the symbol of Saru Saru Sambhav in the center in a time of 40 seconds. The event was held on 16 November 2024. And do the honors of distributing the prizes. World record formation: Sridhar Ganesh, Vineet, Rohit Preet, Sridhar, Aditya, Madhav, Mokshit, Josh Kumar, Namesh, Durga Monesh, Likit, Aditya Sai Singh, Yashwant, Assad, Yashwant Reddy, Kushal, Kartikeya, Mayank, Satvik, Kavesh, Badrinath, Joshika, Sarayu, Joshita, Jenny. Philanthropy is powerful because everyone can be affected.
Priyanka K, Lochan Sriram, Charan Tej, Rohit Kumar, Ashit Sai, Abhiram Krishna, Bhuvan Sabek, Madhav Akash, Roslyn Page, Shri Vaishnav Kartika, Yoshita Ji, Nitika Ihora, Megha Kartika, Dimple Sri Lakshmi, Bhuvaneshwar, Zona, Reddy Chaitanya, Blooming Rohit, Dashwin Sri Sai, Venkat Abhishek, Jayaditya, Sriya Chakravarti, Anita Devi, Deepthi Sai, Nishita Pragna, Sheikh Jaina Tabasam, Sesha Shrikari, R. Jashvita, Mehra Shehraz, Hrithik Nagasai Roshan. Your generosity makes a real difference. Thank you all.
The ARDO President Shobha Ranigar, she wanted to be with us, but due to time constraint, she could not be here today. It is due to her that she wanted to reward all the students who have actually helped the organization and collect the raffle amount. So all these students have been from first class instrumental in getting the raffle tickets sold for the raffle that they had for the muscular dystrophy patients. Thank you parents for your coordination and cooperation with your children so that they were able to do a beautiful task. Congratulations to all the students also. Thank you.
Philanthropy is powerful because everyone can be affected by the love for
just now we got about Shobha Rani Garu from ARDO. She is here with us. I would like her to say a few words on this occasion.
Thank you so much, sir. First of all, Icon Public School directors Rajendra sir and Padasarthi sir, principal sir, Praveen sir ki మరియు parents ki, children ki కూడా thank you so much. Icon Public School లో మా బంధం ఈ రోజుకి 6 years యాక్చువల్లీ. మస్కులర్ డిస్ట్రోఫీ అనే డిసీజ్ మీద అమరావతి రేర్ డిసీజెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అనేది పనిచేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ప్లీజ్ 2 minutes ఒకసారి అందరూ సైలెంట్ గా ఉంటే మీకు గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ చెప్పుకునే అవకాశం ఇస్తే థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి అందరికీ కూడా. ప్లీజ్ బీ సైలెంట్. ఓకే. మైసెల్ఫ్ శోభారాణి, అమరావతి రేర్ డిసీజెస్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఫౌండర్ అండ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ డైరెక్టర్. ఈరోజు ఐకాన్ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్లో ఉన్న పిల్లలందరూ కూడా ఫండ్ రైజింగ్ కోసం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు టీచర్స్ కానీ ఇక్కడున్న డైరెక్టర్స్ కానీ పిల్లలు కానీ చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్గా ఇంత మంచి నోబుల్ కాజ్కి వర్క్ చేయాలి అనే ఉద్దేశంతో మంచి గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ చెప్పడానికి, అంటే ఇతరులకి ఏదైనా హెల్ప్ చేసినప్పుడు గ్రాటిట్యూడ్ చెప్పడం అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. కాబట్టి ఈరోజు నేను మీ అందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్దామని వచ్చాను. మస్కులర్ డిస్ట్రోఫీ అనే రేర్ డిసీజ్కి మెడిసిన్ అనేది లేదు. మా ఆర్గనైజేషన్లో ఉన్న 400 చిల్డ్రన్ ఇంత ఏజెస్ నుంచి చాలా మంది ఉంటారు. వాళ్ళు డైలీ స్కూల్స్కి వెళ్ళి చదువుకోరు, డైలీ ఇంట్లోనే ఉంటారు, బెడ్ రిడన్ పేషెంట్గా ఉంటారు. అలాంటి కాజ్కి మీ అందరూ కూడా చేయూతనిచ్చి పేరెంట్స్గా మీ యొక్క ఎలా అంటే చాలా మంచి హెల్పింగ్ నేచర్తో పిల్లల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి ఫండ్ రైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీ అందరు సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి. అందుకే మీ అందరికీ పిల్లలకి థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్పడం కోసం ఈ సర్టిఫికేషన్ అనేది ఏర్పాటు చేశాము. చిన్న చిన్న గిఫ్ట్లు అనేది మీకు చాలా తక్కువ అది, కానీ వాళ్ళు చేసిన దానికి మా తరపు నుంచి ఒక చిన్న ప్రజెంటేషన్ అంతే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రవీణ్ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండి మీ అందరికీ కూడా. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ కూడా ఇలాగే చేశారు, ఈ ఇయర్ కూడా చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ ఇచ్చారు మా అందరికి. మా ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో మీ రోల్ చాలా గొప్పది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మీ చిన్న సహాయం మా ఆర్గనైజేషన్ లో కొన్ని జీవితాలను వెలుగునిచ్చింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్స్ అగైన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ప్రవీణ్ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.
Now mementos for the students who have done the highest on the hands of Shobha Rani Garu.
Class 6. I invite the following Asra, L. Joshita, K. Pusita, C.H. Kartika, B. Kirtana, L. Madhav, B. Namesh, V. Durga Monish, Nikit Naidu, V. Vibhuti, S. Priyadarshini, V. Durga Anjani, G. Sadhvik, J. Katrina, S. Venkata Kavya.
And the next category is social cause army fund. I repeat, in the next category is social cause army fund. I request the students who contributed to army fund to get ready.
Badrinath, Yashwant Reddy, there are some students who are still not here from the rest. Badrinath, L. Madhav, Namish, Durga Monish, Durga Monish, Zibian, wherever you are, please come over. Zibian, please give Zibian certificate here. Yes, welcome both of you. You three of you also come here. Receive the prize from ma'am.
The lives of the army are full of hardships and challenges which no ordinary person can survive. Firstly, they spend a great deal of time away from their loved ones. All of this is just to save our motherland. True greatness lies within giving. Students of ICON have collected the Army Fund to show their gratitude to the great service of Indian Army. And I call on students of Class 1 who have contributed the Army Fund under the social cause. And the award for the social cause contribution for the Army Fund initiative goes to Jaina Tabassum and Mehboob Shehnaz. I repeat, Jaina Tabassum and Mehboob Shehnaz. To present this award, I call upon Praveen sir and Suresh sir. I invite Praveen sir and Rajarao sir to present this award. I invite Praveen sir and Suresh sir to present this award. Rajarao sir, please come on to the stage.
That's appreciable. We are so proud of your humane quality which you assimilated in you. Thank you. To build a strong country requires efforts. To build a strong army, and only with a strong army can the country be secured. The lives of army are full of hardships and challenges which no ordinary person can survive. Firstly, they spend a great deal of time away from their loved ones. All of this is just to save our motherland. True greatness lies in giving. Students of ICON have collected the Army Fund to show their gratitude to the great service of Indian Army.
So it has been a phenomenon. We are collecting money for Army Fund, and some parents really don't know why it happens. Army Fund goes to the people living in a district who belong to the armed forces. This is an initiative taken up by the collector of each district so that they can do additionally some good. Now, as you know, the armed forces are supported adequately by the central government, but the state, in the form of the collector, takes up this Flag Day Fund, or the Army Fund as they call it. They collect it from the schools and various educational organizations to help the widows, to help the children of people who have either lost a limb or completely they have laid down their life in service of the country. A very important act. We should show how children can be actually encouraged towards patriotic feelings towards the army. That's the reason why from our side, that is the school side, we just give them a certificate of recognition when they've done a little well, more than what the others have done. So these children are actually topped in donating to the Army Fund, and that's the reason why we have given them the prize. Would you also please come over?
The award for the social cause contribution for the Army Fund initiative goes to S. Mautika Ratnam. That's appreciable. We are so proud of your humane quality which you assimilated in you. Thank you.
Art is one of the most enduring and profound aspects of human existence. The mind of an artist is fascinating terrain, a landscape where imagination, inspiration, doubt and discovery coexist. Every brushstroke, every line and every idea shaped on canvas was a story in it itself. So here's a big round of applause for all the amazing artists. Now it's a moment to appreciate the students who bagged the prizes in drawing competition conducted by iDream. Join your hands and welcome them.
K. Jahnavi Priya, K. Varun Sai, D. Lakshmi Lasya, D. Mallika Arjun Kartikeya.
I request Durga Maleshwari teacher sir to present these awards.
Congratulations to all of you.
And next category is external prizes. And the next category is external prizes. I request the students who bag the prizes in different categories to get ready for the next category.
Congratulations to these drawing contest winners. This is the 11th National Drawing Contest. It's a national prize and they've got it. Congratulations.
Now it's external prizes. Favorite winners of classics, Rishi, who bagged silver and bronze medal in karate and first prize in football. Join your hands and appreciate her. I invite RP sir and Praveen sir to present this award.
These are not prizes given by the school. This round is only prizes won by students outside in various inter-school competitions. They've made our school proud. They got their prizes at the external competitions. So he has won a football prize in the district level. Am I correct? Yes, in the district level, and he was part of the district team who played it.
Give him a big round of applause. Coming up next is Varun Sai, who
He
bagged
also got the Karate Overall Championship in Kumute. The Inter-Dojo Karateka Championship that was conducted. More than 450 participants were there and he won the final round. Congratulations in his age group. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rishi. Coming up next is K. Varun Sai, who bagged the gold and silver medal in karate.
This is also known mean feat. He has been to Bangalore where he participated in the international karate tournament that was conducted there, and those medals are from there. That is from Bangalore.
Coming up next is K. Aditya, who bagged silver and bronze in karate again.
This boy also has 2 prizes. He also went along with the team to Bangalore. He was also a medal winner there.
Coming up next is Ame Maurya, who bagged gold medal in district level yoga competition.
You had football, karate, and now we have a student from yoga district level. He bagged the gold medal. Krishna district gold medal for yoga. This was conducted by the government just before the flood. Yeah, just before the floods. It was conducted in Srinagar just before the floods.
Coming up next is Sarayu, who got finalized in girls category under 13, quarter finalist in badminton.
And now we have a star among us. She plays badminton and she has been here right since her childhood.
She also won Lakshya Cup conducted by AP State Open Badminton Tournament under 15. Give her a big round of applause. And it's not just that. She won the cup under
Place to carry the prizes. She's not a place. She was also recognized by P.V. Sindhu. She's already a star. I would like to have her father here onto the dais, please. Sir, please, onto the dais. It would not have been possible for her to do it without the support of her father. He is the pillar behind her. He has been taking her everywhere, and I've been very happy knowing he has to assist her in carrying the prizes. All these prizes in one academic year. In one academic year. In future, if you see her on television, remember, Icon produced one more icon in the field of badminton also. I wish her all the best.
Coming up next is Jahnavi Priya, who won second prize inter-district level and won first prize in modeling. She got the second prize in inter-district level in rifle shooting. You are a big round of applause.
Another budding icon from Icon. You've seen her year on year, bag many prizes in various fields, and here also I would like to call her mother on the dais because she has been her backbone, traveling with her in every place, taking her everywhere. Please do come over, man. She has so many prizes, like you need to help her. So wherever there is a beauty pageant, wherever there is a show of art, whether it's skill, she is there. And that's how she is able to bag so many prizes. It's not a mean feat. Her mother has actually supported her, and we are very happy for that. One of the beauty pageants, actually, she has been crowned, and these crowns belong to her. She represented Telangana state in the beauty pageant. And she has 2 prizes here. I can't put 2 on one head, so I'm giving one to her. Congratulations.
That's a notable work for her. Coming up next is Jaggi Sarat, who won first prize in South India Juniors Hard Tennis Championship. Give her a big round of applause. Coming up next is Jaggi Sarat, who won first prize in South India Juniors Hard Tennis Championship. Give her a big round of applause.
We saw badminton star, now we are seeing a lawn tennis star. A lawn tennis star in the making. So she has won the prize. Excellent competition. Congratulations, Jenny.
Coming up next is Jay Badrinath, who won gold medal in SIP abacus. Give a big round of applause. Coming up next is Asad, who won gold medal in Challengers Cup International Open Karate Championship. It's Asad who won gold medal in Challengers Cup International Open Karate Championship. And next is Kavya, who won second prize in state level chess championship. Coming up next is Mayank, who won All India Yuva Chitra Kala Ratna Award. I repeat, he won All India Yuva Chitra Kala Ratna Award.
In the 11th drawing competition, our student from our school won the Kala Ratna Award, national level award from here. See? And I would also like the teacher behind that to receive her prize also. She also received the Protsak Award. Please come over, ma'am. So under the guidance of Durga Maleshwari Garu, he has won this prize. We're very happy, even in the field of drawing. So you see the various types of activities that children have been taking up and getting good laurels for the school. Now I would like to introduce Kushal. P. Kushal also on this. He is going to fly to Kathmandu next month to participate in the international karate competition. We wish him all the best today.
He won gold and bronze in South India Open Karate Championship.
Coming up next is Aradhya, who won Best Child Actress Female in Talent Icon Awards 2024. Aradhya, who won Best Child Actress Female in Talent Icon Awards 2024.
All of you know Aradhya, the girl with the Nandi Award, and now I'll tell you the latest. She has been selected for an NTR movie. Very soon we'll see her in NTR's movie. She has been selected for that. Congratulations.
Coming up next is Roshita, who won second prize in Score More Motivation. It's Roshita who won second prize in Score More Foundation. I congratulate each and everyone who bagged different prizes in different categories. Coming up next is Academic Awards to Class First. I would like to extend my heartfelt invitations to our director sirs, Partha Sarathi Garu and Lakshmi Prasad Garu, to honor the stage. I request Partha Sarathi sir to come onto the stage and raise the occasion. Join your hands and welcome them. Thank you sir for joining us on the stage as an acknowledged leader.